What's the meaning of bluebell? Bluebell. Bluebell.
Bluebell. Bluebell. Bluebell refers to a type of flower that is commonly found in woodlands and gardens throughout Europe and North America. The flower, which is also known as the Hyacinthoides non-scripta, features delicate blue petals that create a bell-shaped bloom. In some cultures, bluebells are considered to be a symbol of humility and gratitude. These plants have also been used for medicinal purposes, such as treating wounds and easing digestive issues. Bluebells are often used in gardening as well, due to their vibrant colors and ability to add a touch of natural beauty to any garden or landscaping project. Overall, the bluebell is a beautiful and versatile plant that has captivated people's attention for centuries.